Friends, today let's start with the Tinkercad, and here we will do basic code, and that is nothing but the blinking of LED. So let's start with creating new circuit here. As we all know, Arduino board is readily available over here. You can take this board and you can connect an LED with respect to the ground. You can change the color of LED from green, yellow, orange and all the options available here. Just connect one series resistor to the anode of LED. So that will help you to limit the current. That's it. Cathode you have to connect to the ground. Change the color of ground wire to the black, then connect anode terminal to the resistor and connect it to the 13 or to the 12. It totally depends. Okay, so let's start doing the code. Here we have a code option. Just change that to the text if you want to do the code in text. Now you can see whenever you will take the Arduino board, this code will by default appear here, and that is nothing but the code of LED. This is our setup where LED built-in pin that is already built in here for the pin number 13 is connected as an output, but here I'll change this value because I'm not using pin number 13 here. So what I'll do here is I will declare LED pin only, and I'll declare that pin to the pin number 12. That's it. Now I'll just change that pin mode for LED pin, which I'll dedicate for the output. Then in this infinite loop, I will digitally write high on LED pin, wait for 1 second, and low on same pin, again wait for 1 second, and this will continue till infinity. So how this will look, we can see here. I just start simulation over here, and now you can see the circuit will turn on and off. Our LED is turn on and off. Now you can change the color of LED if you want. You can change it to yellow. It will work for same. If you change the color to green, blue, then you can see here we can change the color of LED. Now if I change the value of this resistor to some ohms, let's suppose I'm taking 220 ohms. Here the intensity will increase. This is how we'll run the code for blinking LED as simple. Okay, now for the next video, stay connected and do comment for the innovative projects on Arduino. Thank you.